What's going on, guys? I'm going to do a small unboxing video. This is kind of new for me. I don't really do unboxings too often, and I thought this controller was kind of cool enough that I would do just, a short little video on it. This is the new Sea of Thieves Xbox One controller, kind of new. I don't generally buy controllers, but this one kind of caught my eye because it's got some unique little features. But anyway, let's just go ahead and hop into it. We're going to open it up. Okay, and just like that, that's what it looks like. It's pretty cool actually seeing it in person. Yeah, so just some of the cool little features on it. The color, obviously, it's got these little barnacles, which are 3D, or which are laser etched, kind of cool. This right here glows in the dark. I don't know if this other spray does or not, but really, really cool. I love the trigger right here, the gold trigger. Kind of looks like a pirate's tooth. You got the north, south, east, west, the compass over here. On the back here, you'll have to forgive my ignorance. I don't know what that is. It's cool. I'm pretty sure it's part of the game. So what else do you get with this? You also get 2 AA batteries, kind of standard. So not too much to talk about there. Lift it up and come with the instruction manual, which no one ever reads. Warranty, yada yada, paperwork, and kind of cool is this little outfit thing that you get. So once you buy this controller, you get a little card with the code on the back, which I'm not going to show for obvious reasons, but you get an outfit in the game, kind of cool. And yeah, that's really about it. Just a simple little unboxing. This controller is super cool. I'm very pleased with how it looks. The feel of it is terrific. You got just an immense amount of detail. The buttons are really nice. I very much like that. I can't think of anything cooler than this, what they could have done. Very unique controller, and let me see if I can get the glow in the dark to work really quick. So as you can see, it works. This isn't a light up, it's just glow in the dark. That is so cool. The overspray, the little green overspray doesn't light up. That would have been awesome, but for the most part, this is just an awesome controller. You can see it kind of fade away now. But I'm absolutely thrilled to own this thing. Very, very hard to get from what I understand, like at GameStop and those other places. Thank God for Amazon, right? But anyway, I appreciate y'all watching this video, and you guys take care.